Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. In today's video, I'm actually going to be comparing two different Chi hair tools. So I'm going to be comparing the Chi Spin and Curl to the Chi Lava Curl Shot. So I'm going to be doing one side with the Chi Spin and Curl and then one side with the Lava Curl Shot. So let's get right into the video. But first, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I upload hair videos every single week, so if you are liking my channel so far, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I have a lot of interesting videos coming soon, especially for the holiday season. I'm super excited. Also, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love, and let's get right into curling my hair. So the spin and curl curls your hair for you basically. So it kind of like sucks in your hair and it curls your hair. And then this one has a cool shot button right here. So this curls your hair, but when you press the cool shot, it gives you like a longer lasting curl. So this is also from Chi. I like to use this heat protectant when I'm gonna put like extreme heat on my hair, like when I'm going to curl it with the curling wands or even straighten it. I like to use the Dry Bar Prep Rally when I'm going to like blow out my hair. Like it's a nice spray to prep your hair before a blowout. But this one I've been using a lot like right before I put extreme heat on my hair. I'm gonna do the heat setting 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna do the same with this side as well. So I'm gonna do 400 on each side. It warms up very quickly, as you can see. The numbers are just going up, but it's like very fast, maybe like a minute or two it warms up, so that's not bad. Okay, so it warmed up, it's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get right into curling my hair. So I'm gonna take, this section is pretty big, but I'm gonna do it anyway so that you guys can see that you can get bigger sections with this hair tool. I've tried other hair tools similar to this one that really don't grab bigger sections and tangles your hair a lot, but this one's really good with that, with being able to grab bigger sections, because I mean, look at this, it's huge, so it grabs a lot of hair. So basically what I like to do is put this towards my face, like it says this side towards face. This is for this when you place it here, but this is like a little trick that I do just to remember what button to click. So basically I turn this around towards my face, and then I look at the hair tool. So this side, I'm going to be curling away from my face. So I'm going to click on this button that is going away. So this one, away. I hope that makes sense. So I place the hair and I click the button. See how it just grabs your hair like nothing? Like, didn't pull my hair at all. And that was a pretty big section, so I just leave it there and I wait for the beep. It'll take a couple seconds, maybe like 10 seconds, but just gotta wait. There you go, and there you have it. Perfect curl, literally like perfect. It's so nice. So I'm gonna do that with all my hair with this side, and then we're gonna move on to this side. So this is like very easy to do. Like, you basically don't have to do much. This basically curls your hair for you, which I love. Just make sure that you don't move the hair tool too much when you're doing your hair, because that can cause this to kind of pull your hair and it can get tangled. Just place the hair right in the middle, click the button, and wait. Might as well start timing it so you guys can kind of have an idea of how long it takes me to do one side. It's very fast though. Very, very fast. Like, you get nice curls very quickly. I feel like this is a hair tool that would be very safe for like a younger person, like a teenager or like a young adult that's just like starting to use hair tools, because I have never burned my fingers with this. I put this close to my face and it doesn't really burn my face either, so that's really nice. So if you want looser curls, you can I guess, release the curl before it beeps. If you want a tighter curl, then leave it in for the whole time until it beeps. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curls. Like, wow. It only took me about 10 minutes to do the rest of my hair. So maybe add like 2 minutes to that because I did do a couple of sections. So about 12-13 minutes to do one side, which I don't think is bad for me. These curls are beautiful. They're very bouncy, very shiny. They look healthy. It doesn't look like if it like fried your hair, and it was very easy to do. They're all the same type of curl, so it looks very like organized, which I like. And if you want a looser curl, then you can just run your fingers through your curls or use a brush to kind of like separate the curl a little bit more and make it more natural looking. I like this look. I would totally just leave it like this. I think it's really, really cute. And it looks super shiny, bouncy. So yeah, this one I really, really like. I've always liked this hair tool a lot. But let's do the other side with the Chi Lava Curl Shot. And I'm also going to do a wear test for at least an hour to see which side lasts a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one on and I'm going to put it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to clip this up here so it's away from my face. I'm not destroying the curl because this isn't curly up here, so just want it to be kind of like away from my face. I'm going to add a little bit of the spray to protect my hair from the heat. So it is all warmed up. It only took about, again, like a minute or two, just like this one. So I'm going to start the timer right now and I'm going to start curling my hair. So you guys can kind of have an idea of how long it takes me to do this side. The tricky part about this one is that, number one, it looks super dangerous. It looks super scary, honestly. When I first saw this, I was like, whoa, what is this? But it's actually a really good hair tool. You gotta get used to kind of like the movement and how to place your hair with this. You gotta be very careful because it's very easy to burn yourself with this hair tool. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair around the barrel and I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds and then I'm going to click the cool shot. So a couple seconds and I'm gonna click the cool shot. So it's throwing air from in here. I do that for like 10 seconds. And then I release the curl. So yeah, this curl is beautiful. It's like so perfect. This doesn't get hot, which is nice. So you can like place this on your face, as you can see, and it doesn't burn you. At first, it's a little bit weird to use this hair tool because this big blow dryer up here it just makes everything a little bit harder for you to like move the tool around. But you do get very nice curls. So as you can see, very nice defined curls. I do feel like these curls are a little bit more like big and loose, I guess. Like more wavy than these curls. I'm gonna do this curl without the cool shot just so you guys can see what type of curl I get without the cool shot. The cool shot is just supposed to make your curls last a little bit longer. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like without it. We do get a very similar curl. You see? It might be a little bit looser than this one, but this one's also a smaller section and I think I left it on for a little bit longer. But even without the cool shot, you do get very nice curls. I feel like this side is taking me longer because I have to be like extra careful. And I'm like a little bit more scared of like doing it too quickly. Like I want to take my time too because I don't want to burn myself. So pretty. The cool thing about this one is that you can get bigger sections. Like this section is huge. You are going to get like a looser curl, and you might have to leave the curl on the barrel for a little bit longer, but you are able to get bigger sections. Sometimes I'm a little bit lazy and I just want to get like super big sections just to get like more of a wave and something quick. Okay guys, I am all done with this side. These were the curls that I got on this side. They look very, very nice. Like super defined, very shiny, very tight curls. I actually really, really like this side, like a lot. So this side did take me a little bit longer actually. It took me 17 minutes to do all of it. But I did get tighter curls. This side I am going to touch up because the curls are falling already. I still have some really nice waves, but I want to be fair. I mean, this side took me about almost 20 minutes. Okay, so I touched up some of the curls on the spin and curl side. As you can see, I got more of a wave with this hair tool. Like, even the length of my hair, like this side is like shorter than this side. So this hair tool does give you a more loose curl. So yeah, I'll be back in an hour. What do you guys think so far? Like, which side do you like better? Do you like the spin and curl side better? Or do you like the lava shot side better? What do you guys think? So far, I'll be honest with you guys, so far I'm liking this side better because I can already tell you these curls are gonna last a lot longer than this side. They look like if they're gonna last more than this side. So it is now 2:44, so I'll be back at like 3:44 in an hour, and I'll do a 1 hour check-in. Okay guys, I am back. It's been an hour, so as you can see, it's 3:43, and this is what my hair is looking like. So this is the spin and curl side. What do you guys think? I mean, as you can see, the curls are a little bit more loose, but they still look really nice. So after an hour, this is what they look like. I'm not mad about it, but they did kind of fall a little bit, which again, I don't mind, but the curls didn't last as long as this side. Like, if you look at this side, I mean, all the curls are like almost the same. They are a little bit more loose, but you still have pretty tight curls for the most part, and they're all like very nice and defined. So maybe the cool shot does make a difference. Maybe it does work better than a regular curling wand. This hair tool is harder to use, but if you get the hang of it and if you practice, it is worth it. It is worth using this. So yeah, I really like my curls, and I might even touch up this side now with the lava curl shot. But either one that you get is nice. I do really like this one, and it's so easy to use, but I do like the results a lot more on this side. So yeah, that's my honest opinion. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna link both of these hair tools down below. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.